Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you were fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English School Morning Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an BGS class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, Chapter 5, Lesson 1 and 2 discussions. So, my dear students, open your BGS book, Bangladesh Global Studies book, and go to chapter 5, page number 59, Socialization and Development. So, let's see our today's class. Class 8, subject BGS, topic chapter 5, lesson 1 to discussion, term Haveli, lecture 8, SWLB 7, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So, my dear students, let's start our today's class. You can see we are discussing today chapter 5, socialization. There is a mistake here. Subject will be BGS, and the topic chapter 5, lesson 1 and 2. Subject BGS, and our chapter name is Socialization and Development. So, socialization is a lifelong, ongoing process of human beings. This process continues from birth to death. Individuals learn expected behavior through this process and adjust to the society. He attains rules and regulations, values, belief, and thus he develops himself and becomes a part of the development of the society. So, socialization is a lifelong, ongoing process. This is very important. This starts from after the birth of a child and it goes at the end of the life. Okay, so my dear students, we are discussing chapter 5, Socializations and Development. Lesson 1, Impacts of different institutions in socialization. Socialization is necessary for the proper development of an individual. From birth, a child starts learning. After birth, a child starts learning different kinds of laws, rules, and regulations of a society. This is called the process of socialization. So, what is socialization? After birth, a child starts learning different kinds of laws, rules, and regulations of a society. This is called the process of socialization of children. This chapter focuses on the roles of some institutions in the process. Family. Family is the first and main agency for socialization. The feeling of love, emotion, and respect grows in child with the members in a family. The impact of family culture regarding food habit, dress, religious practice, and education is reflected on the child. For this reason, the strongest agent of socialization is family. So, family is the strongest agent of socialization. Local society. The local society has the most important roles in socialization after the parents. So, after the parents, after the family, local society is the next. A child grows up by observing his surroundings and learning rules and regulations and behavior. Thus, he develops social behavior and becomes familiar with social customs. The gesture and posture of the people and the values he observes influences behavior. So, my dear students, we are moving to next topic, different elements of a local society. The locally developed organizations affect a person's way of thinking, attitude to life, and behavioral pattern. People involve themselves with these organizations to sharpen cognitive, aesthetic, and other softer aspects of life by socializing with others in this practice. Thus, they develop adaptability in them and become a part of that society. Okay. Same as companions. Children naturally play with their mates, and when they are in their tens, During this period, they learn many things from their friends. At the teenage, the children learn many things from their friends. They influence one another through their conversations, behavior, and attitude. In this way, they develop fellow feelings, cooperation, patience, and qualities of leadership. Okay, so same as companions is very important for socialization process. Educational institutions. Educational institutions provide opportunities for children to interact and influence one another. In educational institutions, students can acquire cooperation from the educational institutions, fellow feelings, friendship, empathy, patriotism, leadership qualities. Thus, educational institutions have important roles in the process of socializations. The children learn many things. You also learn many things from your educational institutions, from your friends. Okay, you also learn the cooperation, fellow feelings, leadership qualities from the institutions. Political institutions. Political parties, their leaders, and different kinds of movements are also important in socialization. They play their roles by encouraging people to discharge their civic duties and responsibilities by making them conscious and organized. We also influenced by the political leaders. We also be favored by the political leaders, and we also follow some attitude, postures, gestures of the political leaders. So lesson 2, impacts of different factors on socialization. Every human being must learn some rules and regulations, ideas and habits for expected peaceful life. Individual acquires them through socialization. Many factors work for their acquisition. These factors are imitating something, copied something, suggestion, incorporation, and language. Imitation. When a person exactly copies the work, custom, and conducts of another person, it is called imitations. Imitation is very important because we imitate a lot of things from the others. Children always imitate their elders. They learn language, pronunciation, and manners of speaking through imitation. This is very important: language, pronunciation, manners. Even elders often imitate others to make themselves suitably adapt to new and unknown environment. We will move to next page, next one, suggestion. Proposal or information is sent to others through this process. Children do not have logic or ripeness of knowledge, so they become influenced by suggestion only. So children mainly influenced by the suggestions of the elders, superiors. The use of suggestive process is noticed in different sections of society, such as education, politics, industry, and commerce. Through this process, one's thoughts and ideas are infused in others, and one's others' thoughts and ideas are conducted as if they were of one's own. In recent times, the use of suggestive process is noticed in different sections of society, such as education, politics, industry, and commerce. Through this process, one's thoughts and ideas are infused in others, and others' thoughts and ideas are conducted as if they were of one's own. In recent times, in publicity of social work and in scientific enterprise, it is largely used. Incorporation. In infancy, a child does nothing consciously or knowingly. When the child is infant, where you were an infant, you do not do the thing consciously by knowingly. In childhood, he does everything in confusion. But with the growth of years, he applies knowledge and intelligence and identifies the thing necessary for him, and this thing becomes the subject of his incorporation. Thus, children incorporate different toys, pictures, rhyme books, which are needed for his recreation. Parents and others agree with his well-being. Sometimes he disguises himself as Spider-Man, this is very important, Spider-Man or Superman, to surprise others. This is one kind of entertainment for children. The limit of this process and tendency of incorporation gradually expands as social human beings achieve the nature of society. Last one is language. Language is one of the most communication media of human beings. Elements of society and culture are transferred through language. Individual express his mind through language. Moreover, language is used to know one another or one's country and society, acquire knowledge about the world, earn education. In fact, language influences personality from childhood. Okay, that's all today's my lesson, my dear students. So your SW will be SW7, submit on Saturday, chapter 5, lesson 1 and 2, make 10 OWA, one word answer. So SW7, submit on Saturday, chapter 5, lesson 1 and 2, make 10 OWA. So my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 am to 3 p.m. in the school library. So thanks for watching this class, my dear students. Keep practicing at home, avoid bad parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.